Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join Amazon Prime's 30-day free trial. This is a fantastic way to experience all the benefits of Prime membership, including free shipping, streaming services, and exclusive deals without any upfront cost. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to activate the trial. After you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various account options. From this menu, select Prime Membership. This will take you to the dedicated Prime page where you can manage your membership settings and view all the benefits available. On the Prime Membership page, you'll see an option to start your free 30-day trial. Click on this button to begin the sign-up process. This is where Amazon will guide you through the final steps to activate your trial membership. Next, you'll need to add a payment method. Amazon requires this information upfront, even though you won't be charged during the trial period. You'll have two choices presented to you. The first option allows you to enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code if you have one available. The second option is to add a new credit or debit card. For instance, let's navigate to the Add New Credit or Debit Card option. Here you'll need to fill in several fields to complete your payment information. Enter your name on card exactly as it appears on your physical card. Then type in your card number, making sure there are no spaces or errors. After that, enter the expiration date and the security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Take your time with this step to ensure all information is accurate. Once you've entered all your card details, click Add Your Card. Amazon will process this information and verify that your payment method is valid. This step ensures your account is set up properly for when the trial period ends, though remember you can cancel anytime before the 30 days are up to avoid being charged. Finally, click Continue to complete the sign-up process. Amazon will confirm your Prime membership activation and you'll immediately have access to all Prime benefits. You can start enjoying free 2-day shipping, Prime Video, Prime Music, and all the other perks that come with membership right away. And there you have it. You've successfully joined Amazon Prime's 30-day free trial and can now take full advantage of everything the membership offers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.